Thinking about selling your home? You're probably imagining multiple offers, smooth closing, and walking away with a big check. But here's the reality: more home sales are falling apart than ever before. In fact, over 41,000 deals fell through just last month. So, what's going on? And more importantly, how do you make sure your sale stays on track? I've got the answers, so stick around. Why more deals are falling apart? More choices, less urgency. Buyers have more options, which means they're less rushed to commit. They can cancel during inspection and go after a better home. Economic uncertainty, job layoffs, interest rate changes, and inflation equals more buyer hesitation. High prices and sticker shock. Mortgage rates hovering around 7% means buyers are stretching their budgets. When expected costs pop up, they panic and they back out. How to keep your sale from falling apart? Step 1: price your home right. Overpricing scares buyers away or leads to low appraisals. A well-priced home gets more interest, stronger offers, and fewer cold feet. Step 2: choose the right buyer, not just the highest offer. Consider financial stability, commitment, and contingencies. Fewer contingencies equal less risk of cancellation. Step 3: keep backup buyers engaged. A simple "we'll keep in touch" keeps other offers on standby. If your first deal falls through, you have a plan B ready to go. Step 4: don't let small issues kill the deal. If inspection issues come up, negotiate instead of walking away. If the appraisal comes in low, adjust rather than restart the process. Step 5: make sure you're working with an experienced agent, like me. A good agent helps you price correctly, negotiate smartly, and anticipate problems before they happen. I help sellers keep deals on track from listing to closing. I hope you found this information helpful. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And if you're thinking of selling, the last thing you want is a deal falling through. Let's make sure your home gets sold the right way. Click the link below to schedule a free strategy call, and let's talk about your next move. And again, don't forget to hit that bell for more seller tips. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you back for another video.